Hello my people, today we go be carry our load from where we been drop am on top Learn with Dash Nigeria. Program where they teach people about Dash cryptocurrency and how we fit take better our life. My name na Idu Onome. Today's episode now to answer the question why we need digital currency. We don't get our naira, we get our sefa, we get our pounds, we get our dollar, and all of that paper money where we they use. Why we still can't need this digital currency? Now we go answer today. Digital currency now online money where you fit send to person through internet. This digital currency get value. Not be money where we say na government or banks na if you issue them. Now people agree say they won't use them as means of payment if they want buy something or if they render service to person. You fit do any transaction where you want do, where you no go need middleman, you no go need third party, you no go need banks, and you no go need government at all. With digital currency, we no go get those days again where we say you go queue for a bank before you fit send money, collect money, or even use Western Union. So make I give you some of the examples of this digital money or online money where they talk about. The example now Dash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and we still get over 1,000 digital currencies. Now, two ways or two form digital money they always get. If it is centralized, we say now only one central point of authority now it go get. Or make it decentralized, we say the decisions for there go get distributed. Everybody fit get say over the circulation of the money. Online money get plenty advantages compared to traditional banks where we say if you do any transaction where involve money, they go charge you for them. And this one can they make price of things where people they buy climb up. Banks will wake up one day talk say they won't freeze your account. But for digital world or digital currency, it no dey like that at all. Transaction where they do they on top internet and you fit send them from person to person, from business to business, or from another person to business, and it is very easy, smooth transaction. Where you no go need go through banks, now lower fees, no frozen accounts, no restrictions, and no speed limit. The question now how you fit to get this digital cash or how they take the produce am. Now everybody knows say the fiat or paper money will they spend they print them. But for digital cash, now mining they mine am. So what will be this mining? Digital currency they produce them on top internet by any person who run the application where they call digital currency miner. Mining they require certain amount of work, and if you do it well, they will come reward you with coin. But this work not be work where they easy or not be work where they simple at all, because they solve mathematical problem where hard where. If they can't solve and finish where they succeed, now they go give them coin. At the same time, they go still they verify every transaction where they happen on top the digital currency network. All this work where they do them through software where they run on top the computer mining hardware. When two people can't exchange coin now, others go report so they go fit verify the transaction. When your mining hardware don't complete and you don't record the transaction, you can't get luck say now you complete the block. They go reward your hard work with new coin where they generate from that network. So now we answer the big question, why we even need digital money or why we need this online money. The people who invest or do this digital cash, now to come out power from all these organizations where we say if you don't get money now to hide your face, can't give that power to people where we say everybody go fit get mouth for the circulation of the money. You don't need trust anybody before you go do transaction with all this online money. It means say now people they define them. It get rules and protocol where people feel trust. Now you make this digital currency show face to take help us solve this issue of trust. You don't need trust your partner, you don't need trust your neighbor before you feel do transaction with them. Digital cash or online money, now money where you feel use for anywhere, no matter the country where you did. Cryptocurrency don't give average person the ability to make cross-border transaction with no exchange rate. But you know me say cryptocurrency no get your own risk too. The only thing what you need to do now to get familiar with every key concept where you need to know before you go invest your money. So now here we go end today on. For my next video, I will tell you how you fit set up your Dash wallet. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe. My name is Pidgin.